Working on my truck today. Cold started it a couple weeks ago, and it took out the rear seal, shaft seal on the turbo. So it's pushing oil out that, out the exhaust. Not fun. So I already got this off, this flange off, her band clamp, and take the oil feed off, the oil return off, and then try and pray that the nuts come off of the manifold. Well, oil line came off loose super easy. These bolts came super easy for the return line, and I gotta bust out the big torches for the nuts down there because they do not want to come loose. There's two back there up top, and I've been soaking them, but it's old, so we'll get the heat to them and fingers crossed they come out without breaking. Alright, we've got 3 out of the 4 off. I just got that one up in that corner, so that should be fun. They are coming off hard. I'm gonna have to get new nuts. Well, we got the old turbo off. And I'm hoping it's just a shaft seal, but it's wet in the manifold too. So we're gonna run a test to make sure it's just the turbo. So I got my oil feed and return hook back up so I can build oil pressure, and I'm leaving a gap here. So if oil sprays on this side, the manifold side, we got big problems. Well, not super big, but big enough. If it doesn't, then it was just the turbo backfeeding. Since the seal went bad, it was just backfeeding in the manifold. So it's just the turbo. But I'm double checking before I put a $1,000 turbo on it and shoot oil through it. So we shall see. See if our cardboard is dry or wet. That was already there on this side. Dry as can be. That's perfect. So this old turbo, so that seal must have went, or it definitely went, but it must have backfed up to the manifold, so that is fantastic news. That means it's just the turbo. So we'll get her swapped, get her put back on.